Brother, it is I who will be the next king of Wakanda.
Imagine a dream that can never be true. I am more powerful than you are. Also, Father loved me than he does you. So, just pray I should be easy on you.
Brother, it isn't about being more powerful. You will be surprised what being prepared can get a person.
Hey, can we just stop this chit chat and just prove ourselves in the battlefield?
As you say, brother. So this is the battlefield.
Oh yeah, wait until you see the audience. Shall we start?
When you are ready. Good luck, brother.
It's you who will be needing that. Not I.
My dear Wakandans, I will first start by saying my condolences for our very big loss. The loss of our great king, King T'Chaka. As we all know, the king has two children, Prince Ka and Prince T'Challa. Only one of these two can be the next king of Wakanda. There is a tradition in this kingdom that says, whenever there are two or more people contesting for the throne, a series of competition will be done and the winner will be the new king of Wakanda. And now, Prince T'Challa and Prince Ka are going to participate in these competition, to prove to every Wakandans that they are worthy of being their king. Wait a minute. It just came to my attention that the two princes have already started the competition. Let's go and see who the next king is.
You start at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
I shall be the next king.
Imagine a future king room. He wouldn't allow the maids to do their jobs. Why must I do everything for this boy? When is he going to learn to take care of himself? Something he could do with just his one hand. Isn't this easy and better? Son, what happened?
Mother, do not come closer. It's not safe.
Son, stay where you are. I will fix you now. Son, how did this happen? Who did this to you?
Mother, it was Prince T'Challa. I thought I would beat him to the competition. That is why I challenged him.
How could you be so stupid and not careful?
I am really sorry, Mother. But Mother, I want to be the next king of Wakanda.
Who said you will not be? But you will have to be more powerful before that will happen.
I thought I am more powerful than he is.
Only because he is not showing his power as you are, doesn't mean he doesn't have it. After all, he's senior as you.
I want to be more powerful than he is. How can I do so, Mother?
Do not worry, my son. I will make sure of that.
The greatest mother in the world. This is why I love you so much.
I love you too, my son. Now get some rest. I will get you ready by tomorrow.
Good night, Mother.